Welcome explorers, I'm Alistair and this is the Highland Hikers. Thank you for joining me today on what is another beautiful day. I can't believe just how lucky I'm getting with this weather. It's absolutely spectacular today. Sun's out, you can see I've got my shorts on. It is roasting down here. And I'm kind of wondering how warm it's going to be up at the top. I've got plenty of layers to go, but today I'm going to do a wee solo Munro Bag today, and I'm heading up Meall Ghaordaidh, which is about 1,034 metres tall. We start up fairly kind of high up. We've got about just over between 800 and 900 metres of total ascent today, so it's not too bad, and it looks like it's a long kind of steady climb from here. The walk kind of guide says it should take about 4 hours for this, and it was something, I've been a bit knackered recently, and I wanted something that wouldn't be too difficult to get under the belt while still ticking the box of a Munro. So here we are today. Hopefully it won't take me too long, and I've got suntan lotion on as well. So no Douglas today. He says he's exhausted. Just I think work has taken its toll on the both of us, plus all the bagging that we've been doing in the last few weeks. So I think it's time just to maybe kind of ease back a wee bit now that we're going to be able to go out walking for the foreseeable future. So join me for the rest of this walk, and if you're certainly enjoying the content, give us a wee subscribe, and click that bell notification. Make sure you stay updated for when our new videos come out every Friday. And yeah, we'll leave it from here, and I'll see you further up the hill. Kind of first major point on the route where you have to kind of keep an eye out is when you're coming up the kind of farm track. Once you've come over the stile, and you can kind of see this pole, you probably see it behind me here. This kind of marks the way, and you can see it from quite a wee bit down the track. The other thing to kind of keep a wee eye out for is a wee cairn at the side of the road, and that's where you want to turn off. You'll see where everybody else has, and you continue up the hill from there. Whew. I really need to work on my fitness levels. I'm gasping already. I don't think the heat is helping much at all. It's absolutely roasting. I think I'll be ploughing through the water today at a fair pace. It's been quite some time since I've bagged a Munro on my own. The last time was probably 2019. Everyone since, I've had company along for every single one of them. So it's nice to kind of have a wee change, get out on my own, and do something that I haven't done in a long time. Actually, the last time I bagged a proper hill on my own was Ben Venue back in 2020, but it feels absolutely brilliant to be back out just enjoying the hills on your own. Whoa, it's a bit blowy up here. It was fairly nice on the way up, and then just as you got to the top here, it's getting really windy now. But there we go, number 24. I'm almost halfway to my goal for the year of 50. I don't think I'm going to stick about up here for too long, and I'm certainly not going to be able to fly the drone in this weather. It's far too windy. I think I'll head back down a wee bit, find a wee bit of shelter, grab some lunch. I'm glad. Another one done. So I've come off the summit a wee bit. It's a lot less windier here. There's only maybe about 50 metres of ascent up to the summit, which is just up in that direction. But it's definitely a wee bit warmer down here. I stuck my fleece on because it was getting a wee bit chilly up there, but already I'm thinking maybe that was the wrong decision, maybe I'll take it back off again soon. The views up here are brilliant. It's a non-distinct mountain, this one, but from here you get some great views over to kind of Ben More behind me here and Stod Benen, and then Ben Shalom away over in the kind of end of that kind of glen over there. I'm hoping to get up there quite soon. I'm planning on doing that on my own as well. But from here, I'm going to head back down. It's only taken me 2 hours to get up to the top here. It's very, very quick, and I thought I was going very slowly, so this isn't particularly the hardest. It's fairly steady going all the way up. As I mentioned, it's fairly boggy as well at points, but it's definitely not the worst walk in the world. Definitely not the steepest either, and something, you know, if you're kind of starting out, definitely one to consider doing. So yep, I'll see you further down the hill and enjoy the footage. So I'm making good progress down the hill. The wind that I had at the top is it's kind of remained the whole way down so far, and it's cooling me down a nice bit, because see, without that I think it would be absolutely sweltering today. You can feel it quite humid as well, a wee bit muggy, but well, the wind, which you can probably hear, is definitely keeping me cool. Sun's kind of going behind clouds as well, so it's not even just like sun splitting the sky effort, but man, what a day. We're getting some great views over to, big bog here. We're getting some great views over towards the Lor's range as well, especially we can see Meall Tarmachan, which we did not too long ago, which I thought was a fantastic ridge walk, and then until we ventured up Ben Cruachan, and wow, that just blew my mind. That was fantastic. What a day. If you haven't done that walk between Ben Cruachan and Stobdev, I would thoroughly recommend it. It was tremendous. But yeah, we're going to keep going. Shouldn't be too much longer before we head back down to the car and then get home, and hopefully in time for dinner. What a great day it's been today. The sun's still out, as you can see, and it's just getting warmer and warmer the further down the hill I get. It's brilliant, and I'm really glad I came out today. I know recently I've been pretty knackered, but I think I feel a wee bit kind of revitalised from getting out and about again, and I'm sure that the both of us will be back out again soon. So I'm almost at the car. You can see probably just behind me there's a wee farm. So I'm not too far from that, so probably got about another 15 minutes or so before I get down there. I'm just about 4 hours at this point, so made good progress coming back down the hill. It's a nice easy descent. There's no jarring of the knees. It's, you know, it's fairly steady the whole way, and certainly a walk that was probably suitable for some maybe kind of, you know, younger kids. Maybe not quite as young as mine, but there was certainly a few families going up the hill. And we're very nearly at the top. So thanks for joining us again on another walk. It's great to have you along with us. If you have enjoyed the video, give us a wee like. I know it's not quite the big grandiose videos that you normally get, like the kind of Cruachan one that we had last week, but you know, I've got to bag them all. So 24 down, you know, still get quite a few to go for me, and well, hopefully you can stay with us as I try and get them all done.